Renew your passion for adventure with the eFOLDi Explorer and travel with ease by air, land or sea. eFOLDi's award-winning lifestyle scooters are not just ultra-portable, they're also compact, lightweight and exceptionally versatile to help you rediscover the thrill of exploration again. The Explorer folds and unfolds in just a few seconds, so it's easy to store and transport in a car, plane or train. No complex assembly is required, just unfold and go. Designed, manufactured and rigorously tested to the highest standards, eFOLDi scooters are made using high-quality components, so they're tough, durable and ready for any adventure, whether that's on or off-road. With simple, intuitive controls, the eFOLDi Explorer is easy to use, but also exceptionally capable, whether that's cruising around town or roaming the trails on more challenging terrain. The lighter way to empower your life. Enjoy hassle-free holidays and delightful days out, and make adventure exciting again with the Explorer from eFOLDi.